When the man began to study nature, he marveled at the stars of the universe that he has there in space, without being aware of a wonderful part of the universe that he had in the palm of his hands, literally. Amazing organisms, landscapes hidden from our senses, an unexplored world that a true product of science helps us to know. This tool is the microscope. Today, we're going to talk of all the history of the microscope. So, what? That we only have 2 minutes? Oh, okay. We're going only to talk about the electron microscope. What? We don't have the rights? Oh my god. We're going to talk about, let me see, Light Microscope from Robert Hooke. So, let's start. This beautiful microscope was created for the famous British scientist Robert Hooke in the late 17th century and was one of the most elegant microscopes built in this period. Hooke illustrated the microscope in his Micrographia, one of the first detailed treatises of the microscopy and image. Although Hooke did not make its own microscope, he was very involved with the overall design and the optical features. Actually, the microscopes were made by London-based instrument maker Christopher Cooke. Going back, with the microscope, Hooke designed an ingenious method to focus light on his specimens. He passes the light generated by an oil lamp through a glass flask filled with water to diffuse the light and provide more uniform and intense illumination to the samples. In effect, at this point, there were already microscopes with a magnification range much greater than Robert's optical microscopes that only magnify from 20 to 50 times. I hope you liked the video and... Empresa eléctrica debe 6 meses de luz. Bye bye.